Hey y'all, say hi, King. It's dark. That's the street light y'all see. He going for his little walk tonight. So you don't pee and poop in the house. 8 pounds of pain in the butt. Hey, tomorrow? No, not you, dog. No, tomorrow. Keep your eyes peeled. If everything go right, I'm gonna have the one, the only. Keep it techie on the channel tomorrow, and we're gonna talk about cloud storage, NAS drives, servers, and RAID setups. Now, we're not going to go super in depth, even though I know how to build them. My brain, when I be trying to verbalize certain things, it's like I know how it works and I know how it goes. Just don't ask me, well, I say just don't ask me, but you know what I mean. Uh, to do we ain't trying to confuse nobody. King, come on, come back this way. Got my bodyguard, y'all. I ain't scared of no. I got 8 pounds of fur out here with me. Y'all get live, y'all want to. He'll probably beat me back to the house running. He be like, man, you on your own. But anyway, we're gonna answer some questions. We're gonna show some things and basically answer some questions, because the cloud, and I ain't hating on people that offer cloud services, Google and this one and that one. Hey, it's a business. Fair exchange is no robbery. The thing about having your own server and your own storage is you got to maintain it, and some people don't want to do that. Some people don't. Some people be like, I ain't got time for this. I don't want to be monkeying with this crap here. Cleaning filters, uh, RAID controller goes out, and, system down, changing RAID controller, hot swap hard drive go bad, uh, recreating, lost data, blah, 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 blah. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. But some people just would rather pay and do that, but see us smaller folks on a budget and whatnot, you realize for what you done paid for a year's worth of storage, you know, I can build a system. I built my system for that. Now, of course, I didn't went just straight up smooth overkill now. Sorry about that. God dang it. But yeah, we're gonna, we're gonna cover that there. Storage, like I say, until you've lost and you just running a single hard drive system and you lose all your data, or it starts going out and you notice you're losing files and whatnot, your system is, your hard drive is telling you something. Okay, if you haven't backed up, or stop, even if you just get an external USB-C, copy stuff over. Even if you just do that until you get something, it's better than nothing. But stay tuned tomorrow. Techie and me and we're gonna run down um, backup, data storage, cloud service, cloud storage. Okay? See y'all tomorrow.